Okay, so this one, I'm doing 6f. This is the last one. I'm not going to be doing long division. I'm going to do synthetic division. So again, I'm going to divide strategically because this is -2. I want to divide by -2 because I want to get something in the form of, x minus c to divide by, which would tell me to divide by c. So divide everything by -2. And don't forget, there's a missing term here. In the end, there's going to be a missing x squared term. I have to put that in by just filling in 0x squared. So this is going to be equal to -2x to the 4th minus 9x cubed plus 9x. Now, before we even get to the 9x, plus 0x squared plus 9x minus 3, and everything is being divided by, this is going to be x, because -2 divided by -2 is 1, so it's going to be a 1x, which we could just write as x. This is going to be minus 3/2, which tells me I'm going to be divided by 3/2. All right, so now I'm going to do that. So now I have 3/2, right? And I want to get all my coefficients. -2, I'm going to carry down. -9, 0, 9, and -3. And so -2 times 3/2 is going to be -3. And I add that, I'm going to get -12. -9 and -3 is -12. -12 times 3/2 is going to be 2 into -12 is going to be -6. And -6 times. So in other words, 1.5 times 12 is 18. So it's going to be -18. Add that, I'm going to take that -0 and -18, I'm going to get -18. Now, -18 times 1.5 of 18 is basically going to be 27, right? So it's going to be -27. I'm going to add that up, I'm going to get -18 also for this. And I multiply that back again, 1.5 times 1.5 times -18, again it's going to be 27, -27. So add that, I'm going to get -30. All right, and that's going to be it. So this is going to be my remainder term at the bottom here. This is going to be my constant term, -18. -30 is my remainder term. -18 is my constant term. My x coefficient is -18. My x squared coefficient is -12. And my x cubed coefficient is -2. So that means that my answer is, I hope you wrote this down. I'm going to erase the top part here. My answer to this problem is going to be -2x cubed, right? Minus 12x squared minus 18x minus 18. Now here comes the bombshell. Minus rather. Minus, what did I divide by? What did I divide by? Ladies and gentlemen, what did I divide by? I divided by, in my case, I divided by, all right, so what did I divide by? In my case, this is what I divided by, right? So that's going to be minus 30 over x, I divided by x minus 3/2, right? Okay, that's what I divided by. But that's kind of a, this is kind of like getting us back into this complex fraction thing. So I'm just going to rewrite this as, in your answer key, you're going to see -2x cubed minus 12x squared minus 18x minus 18. Now here I can multiply this by 2, and obviously I would need to multiply that by 2 also, right? So I would need to multiply this by 2. So let me just say what I'm saying. I have negative 30 over x minus 3 over 2. I need to multiply this by 2 and this by 2. I mean, it's simple, so that's just going to be, that's the easy part. The hard part was what came before. Negative 2x cubed minus 12x squared minus 18x minus 18 minus 60 over 2 times x is 2x, and the 2 cancels. So that is the answer. All right. There's no easy way to long division. So I either do the synthetic division like here, or you can do the long division the regular way, right? Okay, so that's it for long division. I gotta move on to some more problems. As you can see, my kids are one of the children. Each one of them keeps popping in and out here, right? So